Hi all, Neci Love Harmon here, What She Creating Enterprises, and today we will be entering the top thread of the spool thread in the Kenmore 158.1345381 series sewing machine. So let's get started. First, you will need some thread of choice, but you need some top thread here. Now in the next tutorial, we will be adding the bobbin to the machine. So let's go. Okay, first things first. Let's take the thread and place it on either spool pin or the spool pin of your choice. You want to ensure that the thread is coming off the front of the spool. Next, you're going to add it into the thread guide here. In order to add it into the thread guide, you will take it from behind, and then there you go. So now it's in there. All right. And then you're going to add it into this thread guide here by clicking it to the left, and it's in there. Now, the next thing you're going to do is we're going to take our thread and we have to put it around here. All right, we're going to put it through here like that. Okay, and then we're going to take it on this side. Okay, you may have to hold this thread in place as you do this, but you're going to take it and you want to push this up. So I'm going to take it and push it up, and it should click. Okay, it should look like that. Okay, so I connected it. All right, next thing you're going to do is place your thread through this thread guide here. Okay, now you're going to have to take your hand wheel here and you need to turn it, but you want the thread take up lever to be in its highest position. Okay, so you want this to be in its highest position. You're going to take your thread and you may need to cut it, but you're going to put it through the hole of the take up lever. All right, so let's do it. I'm going to put it through the hole of the take up lever. Okay, so I'm going right to left and put it through there. Once we've done that, we're going back down. You will put it through this thread guide, and then you will put it through this thread guide. And then there is a clamp here that you need to floss your thread through. So I'm going to hold it like this and push it through there. All right, last but not least, we have to put it through the needle. You may want to cut your thread so that it's sharp, and then make sure your needle is in its highest position. All right, I'm going to put thread through the hole of the needle. So I'm a lefty. All right, I'm going to put it through. And don't judge me because I can put it through the needle really quickly. You take your time and do it right. I'm putting it through and I'm pulling it slowly so that it doesn't wrap around. You want to make sure that the thread goes straight down and through the needle. We don't want it wrapping around the needle in any way, shape, or form. All right, so last but not least, this is the presser foot. We're going to put the thread through the presser foot and let it go to the back. So I'm putting it through the middle of the presser foot and letting it go to the back. And you need to have about 4 to 5 inches hanging off of the back. Well, thank you for watching this tutorial of how to add the spool thread to the Kenmore 158.1345381 series sewing machine. Subscribe and click that like button. Give us those super things. Connect via our socials. Send us video ideas. And don't forget that our online sewing courses are here and on site. So check that description panel. And thanks for watching and happy sewing.